are back at the dirt jumps. Yo, that looks sick. Okay, the first time I was going so much faster. Oh my god! I was trying to go extra slow. Don't do that. Oh shit, your mom. Oh my god! I feel like we're literally better off hitting this side now. Like, let's just fix the lip on that one and hit it. Yeah? Because, bro, this is way sketchier. It's so tight. That's all loose, bro. That. I just got a little scared when I saw the side of the landing. I didn't realize there was a wall there. Grab the shovel. It really don't feel it though, like at all, bro. Feel it. I did my left arm. I'll pack in a little bit again. Oh. That fourth one's like a step up, bro. The log, that's a caser right there. But I feel like at that point we have to. Oh my! Well, boys, it's time to get a little few goodies for the surron piece. We've been riding it a little bit, we've been putting some time in it, hitting some jumps on it, and now it's time for a little bit of upgrades for this bad boy. So we're gonna have a few things to throw on in this video, but first things first, we're gonna jump right into the seat cover because that's what showed into the mail today. So when I got this bike, the guy that previously owned it, he was pretty much looped it the first time he rode it. That's pretty much why he got rid of it too. He was kind of scared of the thing after that. I already knew we needed a new seat cover. And I've been going with the best lately. I've been really loving the Thrill Seekers ones. Boys, the only option was... Ooh, boys, look at that. Of course, we got the little MOPBOYZ on the side piece. But man, that's gonna look pretty good. The first thing we gotta do is pop off this seat. And I know we gotta take off this under panel by popping these clips out right here on the side first to get to the bolster to the seat. But we'll just pop that bad boy off and then we're gonna pull all the staples off, pull the seat cover off. Boom, seats off. Wow, this thing's so light. Man, the little clips that hold those seats in are such a pain in the ass. But got them all out successfully. Now it's time to go ahead and just come in here and pull all these staples out all around this whole seat. One thing I also like to do is heat up the seat cover a little bit. I usually like to leave it in the sun, but given it's winter and it's also nighttime, we're going with the heat gun, boys. So a little bit, it stretches a lot easier. Alright, got it laid on there. Now we're going to take our air compressor staple gun, go underneath it and staple it all up. You can't use one of these staplers. Like, you could try, but it's going to be very, very hard and it's going to take you so much longer. Damn, that looks good. Look at that, boys. Got the little MOPBOYZ on the side, little camo ribs on it. She's on there pretty damn straight. Pretty stoked on that. Well, seat cover's all on there. It's all looking good. But we got one more thing to add that just came in, and that is our new foot pegs. We got some Prickly Motorsports. I'm very stoked because, for one, these things hurt my feet, and they're just not that great. But they're like not as wide as I'd want. You know, I'd want a little bit wider ones. One thing I didn't think about though was that this housing is still going to be the stock housing. So these are crazy. All the machine work lines you can see on the back. It's hard to see on the camera. Looks nuts. It almost looks like a 3D print. It's nuts. But man, look how much wider they are. Literally double the width, man. Super easy. You just pop the pin out, obviously set the spring back in there. Now it's springing, but it's on there, boys. But man, does it look good. It's so much wider. That is some grip. That is some width. That's such a more of a comfortable stance, dude. I'm stoked to ride this thing. We got one more small little upgrade that if you even look at pretty much any surron videos, when people get surrons, one of the known things is how fast these brake pads wear out, especially if you're doing wheelies or trail riding, everything like that. I guess these stock pads do not last at all. So we went ahead and ordered some Shimano brake pads, and we're gonna go ahead and throw those in just in the rear for now. All right, surron's all dialed in, new seat, new brakes, new foot pegs. And now it's time to go ride this thing. So actually these clips are from the other day. Let's hit some sick mountain bike trails and a lot more. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. We also got snowed on, so make sure you check it out, and let's get some riding in. We're out here on the surrons, boy. Never been this far back on this little trail. We went on this trail in the last video, but we no joke just found like 5 or 6 more jumps going this way. So, is there a landing? Oh, that one was fire. This one hurts. Oh! That sounded terrible on the surron. Alright, new trail, boys. We're on the side of a mountain now. Well, we're deep now. There's another sign. Hold fast. That's the one that goes around the mountain. That has to be the cliff jump. Oh, that is crazy looking. Oh! Oh! Damn, this is crazy, bro. Like, how do you hit this on a pedal bike? How do you even do this on a pedal bike, bro?
How do you not see this?
That's what I'm saying. Wow. The ground clearance is what scares me. I'm waiting to freaking nail my ankle on one of these rocks. Alright, boys, I don't know where we're going. We cannot find the jump we were looking for. We rode all the way up in these mountains to find it. I don't know what path we're on now, but there's a couple paths. Might have just chose the wrong one, I guess. Jesus, dude! No way! This is the turn. I do not understand this turn. Look at this shit. How the fuck? Oh, dude, that's the turn. Oh, dude. The scariest is locking up the brakes. Like, you just have to keep momentum going on the turns. That's what I just realized. Because you go to stop, that's when you get locked in going off the cliff. Oh! Crucial. I had no idea all these trails are out here. If you just stare at the mountain long enough, you'll see more trails. It's snowing now, boys. Now you can see it.
Oh, right there.
Bro! I'm telling you, bro. Let's just ride to it, bro. We just found the cliff jump again. I just don't get how to get to it, bro. That's the secret menu. Wait. Oh, it says to go this way. Trail right here. But like, there's not even a trail after it. That looks so fire. Chief, that is so bad. I feel like I'd land on the left.
We're not even that. We're the ones that just made that.
Yeah. No, I think they're just building it because you can actually see the dig pile right there. And like you said, the shovel's down there. Well, I landed flat on that one. Wow, that one goes to the... was not ready for that one. I did not know it curved. Hey, hit the right! Oh my god, that one hurts. That one hurts. That's still my favorite one from the last vid too. Alright boys, that's going to do it for the surron video. I hope you guys were stoked on this and are ready for some more surron content to come. There's a lot of things I want to do to this thing, especially like a controller upgrade. So many more to come, and that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.